Wait a minute. 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 Hey. What was they doing that Vogue? They was doing that Vogue challenge. Girl, honey, let me get on there. Let me do a Vogue challenge. Somebody come do my face. You know what I mean? Come do my face. Give me a little background. Okay? I can do it. I know I'm cute. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shawanya the artist, and today I'm coming to you guys with this makeup tutorial that is black owned brands only. Okay. I said except for the eyeliner and the mascara. Honey, everything is done by black owned products, black owned products. This look is so super simple. It's super quick. Please do support all brands. We have not been showing as much love to the black-owned brands, and it would be lovely if we could see some more of those videos pop out. You guys, please check out Tanya Estelle's channel. She's also doing a makeup tutorial on black-owned products, and I can't wait to see what she has in her collection because, like I said, a shame and a scandal, I don't got none but those 3 products. So I only have 3 makeup brands that are black owned businesses. So the first one is the Kaior lipstick, and I have this one in the color Rude Girl, like that. The next product I have is Kaior again, and this is a liquid lipstick. The other one that I have is Black Opal, and this is a deluxe powder. This is super old, guys. This is super old. Oil control formula. It's a deluxe finishing powder, and it's in a color medium. I don't really care for this because it oxidizes. When I put this on my face, it changes the tone, the color of my face. So I don't really use this. This is by Ace Beaute, and this is a black-owned brand. I have 2 palettes by Ace Beaute. I have the Vintage Dawn right here, and the Grandiose palette. One looks like this. And you've guys seen this palette once before in one of my makeup tutorials. This one has these beautiful colors here. But anyways, these are the only products that I own that are black owned brands. Black Opal, Kaior, and Ace Beaute. So the first color that I am grabbing out of this palette is Cinnamon, and I'm going to be using Cinnamon as my transition color. I am also taking the Morphe M453 brush. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this in the transition area. Oh hey, hi guys. Oops, wrong palette. With this look, I am taking the transition color all the way up to the brow bone, especially in the front area here. I am leaving a little spot. Cove, and I'm just going in with the flat brush. You guys, if you can see, like, it picked up so much product that I have to, like, you see all that powder? It's kind of powdery. If at first you don't succeed, keep trying. How's y'all day going? How is y'all month? How is your 2020 going so far? Mine, it's been very odd. It's been very odd, guys. Just had a lot of things go on or happen like within 1 week, and it has just been crazy for me. Like, My mom got in a car accident. My friend at work got in a car accident. I had a death in the family. All in 1 week. Like, crazy. Like, I just didn't know. I don't know what's going on. But I just know that I need to stay in my word, keep reading my Bible, have faith in God, and not be of this world. Right. Y'all, Jesus is coming soon. Jesus is coming soon, hunties. Jesus is coming super soon. In Jesus' name. Okay, guys, so far I have on the lid color as well as the transition color. And now I am going in with my E17 Morphe brush into the color Puppy, of course. So this is, it's just a dome round shape. I'm gonna go ahead and take Clove again, and I'm gonna put that underneath my eye area here. I'm gonna use the same brush, and I'm going to go in with Rose. And this is going to go on my lower back half area. On my eyeshadow, I am going to go ahead and put on my mascara and liner off camera. I'm going to go ahead and use the black Opal. So I'm taking this powder, just a little bit that's in this cap here. I'm just taking this fluffy brush. This is the color Jasmine, and I'm going to go ahead and grab Jasmine with my Morphe E24 brush. Looks like this. It's just a pointed brush, and I'm just gonna put this in the inner corner area, and I just kind of blend that out towards the bottom. Drag that up, and I'm also gonna place it on under my brow bone area. I hope you are all doing well in this this whole quarantine, COVID-19, Juneteenth, all the teen things. You know what I'm saying? Teen. I need some teen money, you know what I mean? But yeah, I hope you guys are all blessed, keeping God first, because that's what's going to get you through this situation. And this is in the color Painted On. It's so minty. You guys stay strong, be positive, get in your word, read your Bible, have devotion, meditate, pray, worship. I want to thank you all for tuning into my channel and watching this video. You guys, it was good talking to you guys. I missed y'all. Like I said, I hope you guys are all doing well out there. It's been a little wild and crazy out here, but you guys hang in there and keep God first. Okay? Bye. Thanks, guys, for stopping by my channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.